Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Implicit differentiation gets this fast. We need dy over dx from x squared y minus 3x equals 10y, then use the point and match A. Start by treating y as a function of x because it changes with x here, and rewrite nothing yet. We just prepare to differentiate both sides of the equation carefully. Differentiate implicitly. For x squared y, use the product rule to get 2xy plus x squared times y prime, then minus 3 equals 10y prime on the right. Substitute x equals negative 2 and y equals 1. Negative 4 plus 4y prime minus 3 equals 10y prime, so y prime is negative 7. Well done! Option A. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rushing. Trust the given point, then check each differentiation step carefully.